Experience a stylish cleaning with Dreame P10. It's built with light weight to keep you stylish in the cleanup. Yet the suction is strong enough for daily use. With LED screen, you get to see the suction mode and battery life. All the features come together to help you clean for up to 50 minutes without breaking a sweat. To meet regional cleaning needs, we've designed specific brush heads based on countries, and it works well. Dreame P10 vacuums with style.
Video Shopping Network, an AliExpress affiliate. To see this product on AliExpress, click the link in the video description below. You will be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the AliExpress quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.